Hey guys, what's up? I hope you all are doing well and you're having your absolute best. So, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you an amazing video for the unboxing and review of a wired headphone. Along with that, I'm going to show you the trick, or we can call it as a hack, to connect that headset with your mobile phone and with your laptop. So, do you want to know which headset it is? So it is this one, the Jabra Evolve 240 headphone. This is a wired headphone. So I'm going to show you the unboxing and the review of this. So let's get started. Okay, so for the unboxing, this is the box of the Jabra Evolve 240 headphone. So here we can see that they have given this picture of the headphone on the box. Then they have given some features of this headphone. Here is the name, and here is the brand name, that is the Jabra headphone. So now let's unbox this. So basically I want to tell you one thing, that I have already used this headphone, but since I am showing this video, so I wanted to unbox this in front of you guys. So let's do the unboxing. I'm opening the box and see what are the contents of the box. So see, here you can see that this diagram basically shows a user manual of how to make the connections and how to use the controls of this headphone. Okay, and here is the case in which your headphone is seated. So this case is very comfortable. This case helps you keeping your headphones safe from any outside obstacles or anything like that. It also helps you in carrying your headphone along with you whenever you're going out. Okay, so here you can see the Jabra logo is printed over here on this case, right? So this is a very comfortable case and your headphone lies inside it. I will show you the other contents of the box as well. So you are getting this wire along with this headphone. So let's check what this wire is all about. So see, this is the cable that we are getting. The two ends of the cable are different. See, one of the end is a USB type A cable and the other end is a USB type C cable. So basically this has been given with it so as to help you connect this Jabra headset to your laptop or to your mobile which doesn't have a USB type C port. So for that, this wire will be absolutely helpful. So that is one thing. And lastly, you're getting this user manual. So basically you can read this user manual and you can understand everything about this headphone. So this was about the contents of the box. Now I will show you the actual headphone, how it looks like. So let's open this from the case and see, this is how the headphone is and the wire. So this is our headphone and this is the wire. So let's unbox the wire. Okay, now you can see that this wire has a USB-C type connector. Basically your phone or your laptop which has a USB-C type port, you can simply plug in and will start playing. But in case of some of the mobiles and laptops, it doesn't plug and play. So for that there is a hack. I'll show it after this. So before that, let's talk about the features of this Jabra Evolve 240 headphone. Okay, now let's talk about the features of this amazing headphone. So basically it has an exceptional audio quality, outstanding features of it, and it has a noise isolation we can say property which helps reduce the background noise while you are wearing this headphone. So basically when you wear this headphone, it feels absolute comfort. It helps to reduce around 48% of the background noise, and you can see that these two speakers, they are foam padded. They are 40 mm powerful leak tolerant speakers. These foam padded speakers, they give you absolute comfort while you are wearing it, and it gives you an amazing professional experience. It basically allows you to focus on your meetings or your lectures or your calls, and even you can hear music on this. So basically due to the noise cancellation and isolation policy of this headphone, you're able to absolutely focus and get a professional experience. Now, let's talk about the microphone that we're getting with this Jabra Evolve 240 headset. So, this microphone is an enhanced 3 microphone which gives you an amazing quality of your voice getting transferred to the other side. So, basically, around 35% less background conversation noise you can have during your calls or your meetings with your clients or during your lectures. That will be really helpful. Now let's see how we are going to connect this Jabra Evolve 240 headset with a laptop. So this is my laptop, and we can see that I have a C-type port in my laptop, and I'm going to connect the Jabra Evolve 2 to my laptop. And this is the easiest way. Now this is a plug and play device, so once I've connected it to my laptop, and here is one button that we can see on the Jabra Evolve 2. This button basically turns on a red light which indicates that our speaker or our headphone is in use. Okay. Now we can also connect it to our mobile phone. So every mobile phone who has a C type port, basically we simply have to plug and it will work. But in some of the phones we have noticed that it doesn't plug and play as such. So for that I'm going to show you the trick how to connect it to your mobile phones when it doesn't work for plug and play. But before that, I'm going to show you one feature of this headphone which is really interesting. That is the busy red light feature. The busy red light feature works in this way. So here you can see that there is a button over here. This button basically, if you turn it on, then you can see a red light which indicates that the person who is using the Jabra Evolve 240 headset is basically in a meeting or is on a call. He or she is busy at that particular moment. It indicates that. So this is an amazing feature of this headphone which indicates that the person is busy in a meeting or a call. Now, for some of the laptops who don't have a USB-C type port, for them, what you can do is, this is applicable for the mobile phones also. The smartphones, the recent ones, they basically have the USB-C type connector. But the phones which were previous to it, prior to I think 2020, we didn't had the C-type ports easily available in smartphones and even in laptops. So for that, since we're getting an extra cable with the Jabra Evolve 2, so we can make use of that. How we can do that is, see, this wire is pre-connected to Jabra and we have the C-type connector, and the other extra cable also has. So let's connect this. We are connected, and on the other side we have the USB A type, and this is easily available in any laptop, right? So it has been since ages in laptops that we have, in computers, CPUs, we have this, so we can easily plug and play. So that is the thing for laptop. But for mobile phones, directly we won't get a USB A type connector. So for that we can buy an OTG cable, and in that we can plug this, and that OTG can be connected to the mobile phone which doesn't have a USB-C type port. So in that way you can use the Jabra Evolve 240 headphone for all devices, like your laptops, your mobile phones, who don't have a USB-C type, and those who also have a USB-C type cable. Now, after the unboxing has been finished, now I want to give you a quick review of this headphone since I have used it from the past 2 months. So basically it has a very amazing audio quality for your hearing, and I've experienced this during my meetings and my calls. So people usually complain about things like you are not audible properly, but this isn't the case with this Jabra Evolve 240 headphone, because whenever I use it, it just reduces all the background noise and it improves my audio quality to be transferred to the other end. And from the other end also, the audio quality which comes to me, that I hear, it's absolutely outstanding. So I would say that it is standing really good on all the features that they have mentioned for the Jabra Evolve 240 headphone, and I would highly recommend you to buy this. It is around, I think the price that is mentioned on this box, that is around 17,000. You can see here it's 17,000 and above. So on Amazon, I could find that the price is ranging from 15K to 17K. So you can buy it if you wish to, and I would highly recommend to buy this headphone for getting an ultimate professional experience. So now let's move on to the hack or the trick that I'm going to show you for the phones on which plug and play for this headphone isn't working. So for that,
here I am at my mobile screen and I'm going to my phone settings. So here are my phone settings, and under that I have this Bluetooth and devices option. So I'll go under that. In that option I can see this OTG option, so I'll have to enable this option in my phone so as to connect the headphone to my mobile phone. Once I enable it, I'll be able to listen on my headphone and use its mic and entirely use the headphone. So in this way, this is a hack that you can use to connect the headphone to your phone when it doesn't work for plug and play.
so guys, this was all about the Jabra Evolve 240 headphone. Its unboxing, its review, we are done with it, and I've also shown you the hack or the trick for connecting it to your phone, and everything is done now. So I would say that please, if you like my video, do hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, comment on my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have an amazing time. Thank you.